Our first word is ebullient. You can use this word to describe someone who is very happy and cheerful. This word is great for expressing joy and liveliness, making it clear someone is very enthusiastic about something. For example, you can say, the ebullient crowd cheered loudly during the parade, showing their excitement for the celebration. She was ebullient after hearing she got the job. She couldn't stop smiling and talking. Our next word is capitulate. You can use this word when someone decides to stop fighting or resisting and agrees to something, often in difficult situations. This word helps describe the idea of giving in, whether in discussions, games, or conflicts. For example, you can say, after a long argument, he chose to capitulate and agree with his friends. After trying to convince his parents for hours, he finally had to capitulate and agree to their rules. Our next word is nefarious. You can use this word to describe bad actions or people who do terrible things. It often refers to activities that are harmful or against the law. It is used when discussing morality and describing someone who has bad intentions. For example, you can say, the gangster in the movie created a nefarious plan to rob the bank. His nefarious deeds were uncovered when the police investigated his actions. Our next word is inexorable. You can use this word to describe something that continues to happen, no matter what. It often has a serious tone, referring to difficult situations. This word can describe powerful forces in life like time or fate that are strong and cannot be changed. For example, the inexorable advance in technology continues to change the way we live and work, leaving many people struggling to keep up. Her inexorable determination to succeed made her work harder every day. The last word of the day is cursory. Use this word to describe something that is done quickly and without much attention to detail. It often implies that something is overlooked. So this word helps to describe quick actions that might miss important elements. It shows that something is incomplete. For example, you can say he gave a cursory glance at the report before the meeting, missing important details. The teacher made a cursory review of the assignment, so she didn't notice many mistakes. And that's all for today. I hope you liked today's video. If yes, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.